All right, 8 through 11 on the semester 1 review packet. Do you remember your properties? The additive identity. Additive identity means that you can add something, but it maintains its identity. Maintains identity. So something that, what could you add and have something stay the same or keep its identity? It looks like we would add 0 and a number wouldn't change, right? If you add 0 to something, it does not change. So I think number 11 matches A, but remember yesterday in class, we changed this. This was a typo. This should say 6 plus 0 equals what? 6, not negative 6. That's a typo. So that goes with A, additive identity. We add, and it keeps its identity. 6 plus nothing equals 6. So number 11 is A. Gone. All right. Commutative property. To commute is when you go back and forth to work, right? Or back and forth to school. That's called your commute. So back and forth, the distance is the same. It doesn't matter which order you go. Okay? So the commutative property deals with order. Does order matter with addition? Is 6 plus 5 the same as 5 plus 6? Yes. That's the commutative property. So which one of these over here looks like the order doesn't matter? That one? That's called the commutative property. Negative 2 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus negative 2. So 8 is B. Associative. To associate with people or things is to put things in groups. Your associates might be your group of friends. So the associative property deals with grouping. And does the grouping matter with addition? Does it matter if we do the 12 plus 2 first and then add 3? Versus 3 plus 12 first and then add 2? Does it matter how we associate them or group those numbers? No, it would be equal either way. So C is number 9, the associative property. It's when you put things into groups. Okay? And then finally, the distributive property should be one that you recognize. Maybe on the final, if distributive property is one of the choices, why don't you attack that one first? Because you've seen this for several years now through middle school and then to now. That's called the distributive property, where you sort of pass out the negative 7 to both pieces in the parentheses. So number 10 looks like D, the distributive property.